In today's video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to delete a WordPress website and start over from scratch. This is perfect if your site is messy, misconfigured, or you simply want a clean slate without creating a brand new account. I'll show you the safest way to remove your site directly from WordPress and then restart the setup process step by step. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more WordPress and website tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, log into your WordPress account and head straight to your dashboard. This is the main control center for your website, where all your settings and site tools live. Once you're inside the dashboard, take a moment to confirm that you're working on the correct website. This is extremely important because deleting a site is permanent, and you want to make sure you're not removing the wrong one. After confirming your site, look at the left-hand menu and click on Settings. This will open up the General Settings page for your WordPress website. From here, scroll down the page until you find the section labeled WordPress.com Site Settings. This area contains advanced options that connect your site to WordPress.com. When you see it, look for the link that says Manage Gift Subscriptions, Ownership, and Other Site Tools on WordPress.com and click on it. This will redirect you to the WordPress.com Site Management page for your website. Once the page loads, scroll all the way down carefully. Near the bottom, you'll see an option labeled Delete Site. Go ahead and click on Delete Site. WordPress will now guide you through a series of confirmation steps. These prompts are designed to make sure you really want to delete the site, since this action cannot be undone. Follow the on-screen instructions and confirm the deletion when prompted. After your site has been deleted, WordPress will immediately begin guiding you through the process of setting up a new website. This is where you get a fresh start. You can choose a new theme, configure your site settings, and rebuild everything cleanly from the beginning. At this point, you've successfully learned how to delete a WordPress website and start over the right way. That's all there is to it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow WordPress tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.